Welcome to Transform Well channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we're going to talk about something incredibly important: your health. In this video, we'll be discussing the 12 things you must do to stay healthy in the exciting year of 2024. Why is 2024 such a unique year, you may ask? Well, let me tell you. 2024 marks a significant milestone in the field of healthcare and wellness. With groundbreaking advancements in technology, research, and our understanding of the human body, we're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to take our health to a whole new level. So let's dive right in and discover the 12 essential things you must do to stay healthy in this remarkable year 2024. Number 1. Nutrition. Our first point is all about nutrition. In 2024, we have access to an abundance of fresh, organic, and nutrient-dense foods. Remember, a healthy diet is the foundation of overall well-being. Also remember the quote, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food," Hippocrates. To stay healthy, focus on consuming a colorful variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Number 2. Fitness. Next up, fitness. In 2024, we will have innovative workout technologies and virtual trainers that will make exercising more enjoyable and effective. Incorporate a combination of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility routines into your fitness regimen. Remember, staying active not only improves your physical health, but also boosts your mental well-being. Number 3. Mental wellness. Mental wellness is a top priority in 2024. We now have access to cutting-edge meditation apps, virtual reality therapies, and personalized mental health programs. Take time for self-reflection, practice mindfulness, and seek professional help if needed. Remember, a healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. Number 4. Sleep hygiene. Sleep, the underrated secret to good health. In 2024, we'll have made tremendous advancements in understanding the importance of quality sleep. Create a sleep routine, optimize your bedroom environment, and prioritize a solid 7-9 hours of sleep every night. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Number 5. Digital detox. In this digital age, it's crucial to disconnect and recharge. In 2024, we will understand the negative impact of excessive screen time on our health. Set boundaries, take breaks from technology, and engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Remember, life is happening offline too. Number 6. Regular screenings. Preventive healthcare is key to maintaining good health. And in 2024, we will place a greater emphasis on regular screenings. Remember the quote, "An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure." Benjamin Franklin. Schedule routine checkups, screenings, and vaccinations to catch any potential health issues early on. Number 7. Hydration. Staying hydrated is often overlooked but crucial for overall health. In 2024, we will have smart water bottles and wearable devices that track our hydration levels. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and listen to your body's thirst cues. Proper hydration keeps your body functioning optimally. Number 8. Stress management. Stress can take a toll on our health, but in 2024 we have advanced stress management techniques. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, yoga, or engaging in hobbies you love. Don't forget to prioritize self-care and make time for activities that help you unwind. Number 9. Social connection. Humans are social creatures, and in 2024, we recognize the importance of fostering meaningful connections. Surround yourself with positive, supportive individuals, and engage in activities that promote social interaction. Remember, a strong support system contributes to your overall well-being. Number 10. Environmental awareness. Our health is deeply connected to the environment around us. In 2024, we prioritize sustainability, clean air, and a healthy planet. Make eco-friendly choices, reduce waste, and support initiatives that protect our environment. Remember, a healthy world leads to healthy individuals. Number 11. Education. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to our health. In 2024, we will have access to vast amounts of health information and resources. Stay informed, consult reputable sources, and continue learning about the latest advancements in healthcare. Empower yourself to make informed decisions about your well-being. Number 12, gratitude. Last but certainly not least, practicing gratitude. In 2024, we understand the positive impact gratitude has on our mental and emotional health. Take a moment each day to express gratitude for the blessings in your life. Remember the quote, "Gratitude turns what we have into enough." Anonymous. Cultivating gratitude promotes a positive mindset and enhances overall well-being. This is it, the 12 things you must do to stay healthy in the remarkable year 2024. Remember, these are just a few of the many exciting advancements and practices available to us. Embrace the opportunities and take charge of your health journey. I want to hear from you. Which of these 12 things are you most excited to implement in your life in 2024? Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and let's inspire each other to stay healthy and thrive. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Remember, your health is your most precious asset, and by taking care of yourself, you're investing in a brighter future. Stay healthy, stay happy, and transform well. I'll see you in the next video.